Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing a method of multiplication in Vedic maths which is called as base method. Base method in Vedic maths is also known as Nikhilam method. The base here refers to any number that is of the power of 10 to the power n. So n here is any natural number. When n is 1, my base is 10. When n is 2, the base is 100. When n is 3, the base is 1000. And similarly, it can go on to 10,000, 1 lakh and so on. Children from class 7 or above can refer to this method. Now in this method, we will be discussing three cases. The first is when both the multiplicand and multiplier are above the base. The second is when both of them are below the base. And the last one is when either one of them is above the base and the other is below the base. Let's see an example of above the base and my base is 100. Now for example, I want to multiply 106 with 109. The first step is to write down the differences from the base besides these numbers. So 106 is 6 times 6 more than 100, hence I have written plus 6. Similarly, 109 is 9 more than 100, so I have written here plus 9. The next step is to multiply these differences. So 9 and 6 when multiplied together give us 54. The third step is that you perform either one of them. Either you add 106 plus 9 or add 109 plus 6. Either way we will get the same answer. So when I perform 106 plus 9, that gives me 115. So combining these two gives me an answer of 11,554. This we get when we multiply 106 with 109. Now one thing to keep in mind here is that our base is 100. Hence, whatever answer we get from the RHS, that must have 2 digits in it because 100 has 2 zeros. This is an important step that needs to be kept in mind while solving this method. The next is below the base example. Now for example, we have 97 multiplied with 98. The first step is same, that you write the numbers from the difference from the base. So 97 is 3 less than 100, so I have written here minus 3. Now if I have written only 3, we would have skipped this step of keeping this in mind that RHS must have 2 digits. Hence I am writing the answers with 0 here to keep in mind that my RHS answer will have 2 digits. 98 is 2 less than 100, so I have written here 0, 2. Now multiplying two negative numbers will give me a positive number. So 2 multiplied with 3 is 6, but to make it a 2-digit number I have written here 06. Now performing any of them, either 97 minus 2 or 98 minus 3 will give me 95. So my answer here is 9506. Please ignore this one over here. The last one is one above the base and the other below the base. Now I have taken an example of 105 multiplied with 98. So 105 is 5 more than 100, so plus 05. 98 is 2 less than 100, so minus 02. Now one is positive and the other is negative. Now when I multiply them, I will get minus 10. So I have written here 10 with a bar on top of it, that is a vinculum. And now performing 105 minus 2 or 98 plus 5, I will get 103. Now to remove this bar from my final answer, I will apply all from 9 last from 10 on this answer in the RHS. After that I will get 90. Now, since I have applied all from 9 last from 10 on it, I will subtract 1 from my LHS answer. So at last, my final answer will become 10,290. This we get after multiplying 105 with 98. I hope you understood the method. Stay tuned for listening to more such tricks in Vedic Maths. Thank you.